Ho, ho, ho. Welcome to the 10th day of Christmas here at the Smart Woodshop. Let's see what the 10th day of Christmas brings us. A face shield. It's actually amazing that I've included this on my list, but this has turned out to be very useful and very practical. They're not super well made. They're very inexpensive. I assumed when I got it that it was not going to hold up, but this is the first one I have. I have a couple of more thinking that I would go through them, but I have not scratched the surface. It remains absolutely clear. It never fogs up, which was absolutely amazing to me, and it's very soft and supple, so I can wear this for long periods of time. With the exception, when it's hot out, there is an environment in there, it warms up. So it amazes me that it doesn't fog up. Not only does it protect my eyes, and I can put it over even with my glasses on and they don't fog up, it has a filter, a changeable filter in the bottom, a PM 2.5. And that snaps in and out, and it comes with, I believe, about a package of 10. So you get a little protection for your breathing as well as protecting your eyes. So add ear protection and you're covered. And what's nice is it's very easy to put on. If you can hear me, it's ready to use. So if I'm working over on the router table or the table saw, I'll just set it on the side there and put it on. I'm particularly interested when I'm feeling like I'm getting too much dust, because I do have other eye protection that I wear as well. You'll find this in Ron's store at thesmartwoodshop.com, but in this video down below, I'll go ahead and put a direct link to this to an Amazon affiliate. It is for a package of 2 for about $19. That is the way to buy. You can buy a single, but it isn't that much more to go ahead and get a second one. So if that woodworker carpenter in your life has a wood shop, he or she can have a couple of these sitting around at different tools so they're ready to grab and go. Be sure to drop by tomorrow for the 11th day of Christmas. Merry Christmas.